So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it, and now this will come up. You want to find the disk that has unallocated on it. For me, it's disk 0. I've got unallocated. Next, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once to run this, you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. And now you want to type in select space disk space. And now the number of the disk which you're having a problem with and that has unallocated on it. For me, it's going to be disk 0. I'm going to type in select disk 0 and then click on enter. Next, you want to type in list space partition and then click on enter again. You want to select your recovery partition. So if I go right here, here's my recovery partition right here, it's 642 MB. So I'm going to go back to here, I'm going to type in select space partition and then the partition number, which is the same size. For me, it's going to be partition 4. I'm going to type in select partition 4. So you want to select your recovery partition. Type in your partition number and then click on enter. I typed in partition wrong right here, so I'm just going to retype it again. Select partition space and then your number and then click on enter, which now selects your partition. And now for the last one, you want to type in delete space partition space override and then click on enter, which will now successfully delete your partition, the recovery one. If we go back here, it's now going to be deleted. And you can now either format or extend this unallocated space. For me, I'm going to format it, but if you did want to extend it, then right click on your main drive right here and then click on extend volume. But now I'm going to format it, so I'm going to right click on it, new simple volume. Next, just go through the steps, choose your drive letter, next, and then finish. And then the problem should be fixed.